Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. I have another product from the company COMFYTEMP. They have wonderful products. This is a red light therapy belt. So this really is for around your back, around your middle. The infrared goes to your back. I'll show you how it works. It has a USB port that it comes with, and also it comes with a power cord, which I do have plugged in right now. So this belt's smudge is sitting on it, is quite large. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. There's the logo, and it's quite long. So it can fit around a lot of sizes of people. So very nice. It has Velcro, and the Velcro is very strong. You can put it this way, or you can tighten it up if you're a smaller person. So, and the Velcro is very nice and strong. And it is easy to power. Here are the instructions. I have a knee brace, if you want to call it, that I showed you all a little while ago, that you can use on your knee, on your elbow, on your shoulder. That's how this is for me. I think you can use it for more than just on your back to wear it around your waist, but that's what it is meant for. It is the device for body, wearable, near infra light wrap with pulse for back, waist muscles and pain relief. Improve the joint inflammation, it says, and men and women can use it. You can also put this on your chair and lean against this, and then you could wrap that around your thigh or your calf or your arm, your upper arm, wherever you might have some pain. So you can put it around your shoulders. This is how you power it, and very much like how the knee brace was right there. So let me show you what it looks like when it's on. You hold down, there's strength and there's mode, and you hold, it's just nice, easy buttons. Hold down strength and it'll go on. It changes colors on the display, and then this is what it looks like. And you can make it, let me see if I can hold that up for you. You can change your strength. There's blue and green and red. And then the mode, you can change again to green, blue, and red. And I'll just turn it off for now, and then it comes with a manual to tell you what all of that means. There you go. And it's the different, we're having storms here, so it's different. There's a low, middle, and high. And then on the infrared, there's a combination infrared, red light, and pulse. So you can get different feelings on your back. And like I said, I think their products are, this is designed for your back, but you can use it for many other things. It's very nice. It feels really good. I did have it on earlier. It's hard to show you, but I'm going to turn it back on. You just press that to keep it. You hold it to keep it on, to have the red lights come on. And then if you want to change your modes, okay, and that is very, very nice. I'm going to turn it off just so that that red light is not on my face. This is something that you can get on Amazon, and when you're on Amazon, you can visit the COMFYTEMP store. You know how you can do that when you're looking at products. You can visit and see what else they have. They have very nice products. I've shown you a heating pad, and I've shown you a knee sort of brace that is for this type of thing, where it has heat and motion to help work trouble out of your knee. And like I showed you, that it can go on your shoulder and your elbow as well. So it's just a very nice type of a thing to help you out. And it folds up so nice and easy. You just can take the cord out easily, comes out easily. And it is just so easy to put together. I mean, to fold up. Just fold it up and put it away. It comes in this very nice box that you can reuse if you want to, or you could just put this in a drawer or wherever you might put something like this. It folds up nice and small. And what I would do is keep it in this box and keep my cords with it so I don't lose the cords. So it's a really nice product. And I will have all the information below about it. And so you can go click on it and read about it on Amazon. And again, like I said, if you'd like to visit the COMFYTEMP store and see what else they carry a lot of nice products that help with pain and that type of thing. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.